Please take your seats immediately, and we are going to start the session in exactly a minute from now. Can I request M Circle volunteers to please send the delegates inside? It's the last session, speaker session of this day, followed by the grand networking session, where delegates will get to know their relevant business partners. New ventures would be signed today, and I'm sure we will do a lot of business. So friends, M Circle is proud to present to you Dr. Jiten Kohi. I'll request all delegates to give a big round of applause to our brilliant yoga guru who has redefined yoga. You would have seen traditional practices of yoga, but this spectacular gentleman has redefined yoga with a tadka of laughter. The most popular Hasya Yoga Guru, and I would not take much more time, and I would like to proudly invite Dr. Jiten Kohi to the dais, please.
Who can take care of this? You can take care of this? Sure. Thank you. हसनम अनंतरम शांतिं प्राप्तं भवति हास्कम प्राणी मात्रेषु मैत्री च सौख्यम स्नेहम दयाम तथा अनिंद्रम द्वेष नैरास्यम असंतोषच्च दुर्भगा हास्य योगेन दूरच्च न आयाति ही पुनस्तथा हसन कंठ मूले तत् चित्तवृत्ति निरोधका महिमा हास्य योग मोदयंती च मानव. Oh, namaskar. We start our life with our own cry, and we end our life let others cry. हम अपने जीवन की शुरुआत अपने रोने से करते हैं और अपने जीवन का अंत दूसरों को रोता हुआ छोड़कर करते हैं. So let's fill up this gap of life and death with full of love and laugh. We all know that the laughter is the best therapy. Laughter has so much medicinal benefits. And today's life is very stress and tenseful. And all doctors say, and they accept that most of the disease, almost 90% disease, the main cause is stress, tension. Even gastric trouble is because of the tension and stress. As much life we are living nowadays, especially in big cities, or not even big cities, even in small villages also, the stress and tension level is very high. If I simply ask you one thing, which is the simplest way to turn out the stress? What is the simplest way to turn out the stress? To burst the stress, laugh. It's very simple. We all know that the laugh is the best, but still, is that we are laughing too much? If I ask you, all of you, how many people generally laugh at least 10-15 times a day? Kindly raise your hands. How many? Little bit. Not more than 10-15%. How many person laughs more than 50 times a day? More than 50 times. 1, 2, 3, 4 only. I could not complete my 10 fingers even. That is what the way we are living actually. If you just go on the road and just walk on the road, you will find always long faces. There is a two way to laugh. One is very simple and you all knows. What is that? If somebody come here and do some mimicry, do some jokes, recite some jokes, something abstract he will start doing, you will start laughing. Is it okay? Right? Generally we laugh on this type of thing. Do you ever think the laughing on jokes is rather bad laugh? It's not a good laugh. You may be surprised to know why. Normally, more than 99% jokes are sarcastic. We are teasing others' language, bodies, posture, nationality, their culture, whatever it is. If somebody is little bit fat, we start creating jokes on it. हम सरदारों पे जोक सुनाते हैं और क्या जोक में बताते हैं कि सरदार सारे यस बट हमारे प्राइम मिनिस्टर सरदार हैं, हुए हैं या थे, ओके 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 दैट्स फाइन. There are so many scientists, engineers, doctors in our country. Those are 6. बहुत बड़े बड़े इंटेलिजेंट लोग सिख हुए हैं, तो ऐसा नहीं है कोई कम्युनिटी अपना. हम पाकिस्तानी पे जोक सुनाते हैं और क्या करते हैं, माइंड में जोक के साथ हम हंसते हैं, बट सेकेंडली इनसाइड ऑफ द माइंड देयर इज सम नेगेटिविटी क्रिएटेड amongst about the Pakistanis. That is the way we are laughing on jokes. What is the best laugh? The best laugh is laugh like a child. A sweet child, small child, kids, they are laughing for no jokes. They need not any jokes. You just take a child in your womb and say, hello baby, hi, gulu 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 gulu. He started laughing. You need not any jokes. You just go on the street and say, hey, हवा आ रही है, गाय है, पेड़ है, पत्ता है, see baby, hello hello, see. I started laughing. Why? Because his mind is free. But we are not free. When we laugh, we just watch whoever is sitting besides me. We always, before laugh, we put our mind. That's why I always ask children in my session only. I don't need elders, I don't need intellectuals, not required in this country. I want only children. What children? The children lives in your body, inside. I want to just awake the children, because children enjoy the life. Elders won't. They're just passing the life. They're just taking away the life. So this is the time. There is a second way to laugh like a child for no reason. That is hasya yog. That is what yogic laugh. Okay. So I'll demo some that laughter therapy exercises, and I call all of you to please join with me, because if you join with me, you can take the benefit. Definitely, being it is a yoga, it is better to do while you are sitting on the floors. You have to be sit on the floor, not on the chairs. But okay, for some demo purpose, you can at least understand and you can do some little bit exercise. All of them I cannot perform here, because some are in lay-day posture also. So those is comfortable on sitting chair posture also, that I will try to explain you, and you all are welcome to join me. You are ready to laugh? Yes. Okay, I think you are very hungry to laugh. Okay, just put your both hands like this, what we call in Chennai, Vanakkam. Yeah. So we just say Vanakkam, Namaskar, Hasya. Close your eyes for a while, press your palm little bit, take a long breath and chant with me once Om. Open your eyes with laugh and say Vanaktum to everyone with laugh. And shake your hands as much as you can. Shake your hands like this. So beautiful. So now people won't say the only 6 are very lovely and laughing people. Now they can say Maheshwaris are also very laughing people, very enjoying people. That's why I've seen here. Normally people won't react immediately. They take some time to come up. But you come up very fast. That's very fine. And you see, you are just laughing, but simultaneously you see there is exercise of your hands. Either you are on the bike, motorcycle, or you are driving a car, right? You are writing by pen or you are shooting by gun. As much as your wrist is flexible, you can do anything, right? So this is an exercise for your wrist. We'll do it once again. Put your hands, close your eyes, take a long breath. Open eyes with say namaste to each other. Beautiful. Between two yoga posture, we'll chant like this and we'll clap simultaneously. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, ho, ha, ha, ha. Ho, 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 ho. Ho, 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 ho. I'll tell you the benefit of it. These are the points. When you clap like this, these points should be clapped, right? This is good for eyes, good for BP, good for asthma, even good for heart also. Even if small kids, if you start clapping like this, आपके जो चश्मे हैं उसके नंबर कम हो सकते हैं और चश्मे के नंबर मतलब चश्मा परमानेंटली उतर भी सकते हैं, right? When we chant like this, ho ho ha ha ha, there is thyroid glands, right? Behind thyroid there is parathyroid glands. तो ये gland आपके, this is a food pipe, this is सांस नली, तो ये पूरा clean होता है. तो जो हम करते हैं ना, जो लोग हर समय ये करते रहते हैं, खरखर होती है, वो नहीं होगी. हो हो हा हा हा, हो 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 हो. Okay, beautiful. So between two exercise, we'll do it this. In a long session, we'll have the complete benefit. Next is Panchi Hasya. Just put your hands in front of you. You might have think this exercise for your hands. Not. This for your backbone. The backbone is our life bone, right? If backbone is correct, okay, perfect, all right. Then you always be healthy. If there is any defect in backbone, then you won't be healthy as much. You always have some problem. Sir, just open your hands, flick like this. Put it up. Open your wings. Beautiful. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. Ha, ha. This is because most of you are the young people. This is a very common problem of young. This is cervical pain. Is anybody having cervical pain here? If somebody have big, very serious cervical, please come forward. Come with me. Come to me, please. One or two only. Okay, I tell you exercise. Yeah, please come. Put your hands like this. Put your hands like this. I will demo this exercise in both way. Please here. Yeah, come. Put your. I'll demo this in both way, in a laughing way, and other. You will feel the difference. Just put your hands. Take long breath. Release the breathing and put it down. Again, we'll do it same in a laughing way and you feel the difference. Just see how much pressure will be here, right? Take a long breath. Release with laugh. Now put it down. You see the difference? Once again we'll do it, okay? Without laugh. Take a long breath. Hold for a while, then bring it down. Now, with laugh, you see the difference. Now put it down. So which way is much better? Laughing. जब आप हंसते हैं, when you laugh, आपका जो ये टमी होता है अंदर जाता है, हाँ हंसते इमीडिएटली जब ये अंदर जाएगा तो क्या होगा, यहाँ पे प्रेशर आपके ये बढ़ जाएगा. तो इसलिए जब आप लाफिंग में करते हैं, दिस इज फॉर सर्वाइकल. यू हैव सर्वाइकल पेन? इसका नॉट मच, नॉट मच, लिटिल बिट. सी हिज फेस. People will see your face. Just see. Yeah, this is a point. This is a point for cervical. This point. 8 times you have to press. Leave it. Just relax. 8 times you have to press. See, show it to me. Yeah. If you don't have cervical, even if you press it too much you can press, you won't have a pain as such. Little bit pain, maybe, but not much pain. But if you have a cervical, you can't tolerate the pain, right? So you have to press 8 times only, daily, right? Both. And exercise, I tell you this one. 2 more exercise I'll tell you. Please come.
This is basically a symptom.
Yeah, this is a symptom basically. We all know that there are so many points in our hands, especially in hands, and in here it is, right? I'll do some exercise through acupressure also. The acupressure, whenever some points will press by anyone else, right? There are 2 points for sugar, these 2 for the sugar. BP ka point, this figure, the longest one, just fold this, wherever it is reach, this is your BP point, press this. It's very simple to know. People, whenever you ask to a person, they tell you in very complicated way. Things are not complicated, but the way people are teaching, that is complicated. Things are very simple. This is the BP point. And similarly, if you have low BP or high BP, in both cases, point is the same. What is the work of this point? When you press this point, it will stimulate your BP level. If it is high, it will get it down. If you are low, then it will increase automatically. The longest one, very simple to know. Longest one, just fold it and press it here, right? Both way, both side. One by one, both side. Press it, but don't press more than 8 times, right? We'll do some acupressure points, exercises in a laughing way. Open your hands. Close your thumb inside here. Make a fist. Now press as much as you can press with laugh. Press it as much as you can press. Okay, now open it. Now open it very slowly. Don't immediately open. Very slowly, slowly. Open it, open it, open it, open it again and again. As much as you can. Open it as much as you can. ये मिला लीजिए. This is for your hairs and migraine problem. Any problem related with your head is the top of it. This is your body like this. It start from head and up to your legs like this. Press this as maximum as you can. Press with laugh. Don't take a pain. Very good. Leave it slowly and very slowly, very slowly. Now revolve this. This way also. You're this. This one also. He's showing me the red cloth. You want to stop this? You want to close this session?
5 minutes.
Okay.
Red color means more 1 hour. You mean to say that? 1 more hour.
Anyhow, put your right hand here. Your right hand here. Turn your chin. Now start laughing and press it this as much as you can. Leave it this. This way. Put it here. Close your hands here like this. Okay. Now press it to the downside and chin to your this chin to the upward. Leave it. We are not normally very complaining by nature. Somebody, wherever we go, we always find out some complaints. So whenever we are making complaints, the distances increases. So we'll make complaint with laugh. Open your one finger and make a complaint with each other with laugh. Everyone has to laugh, and daily you have to laugh. Not today only. Okay. Being now complaint is over, so we all are friends. So we will praise each other. Open your one finger. This finger shows very proud. हमारा स्वाभिमान, अभिमान कि आई एम द मोस्ट इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन इन द वर्ल्ड, आई एम द मोस्ट ब्यूटीफुल lady in the world, but sorry, it is not true. There are so many others beautiful than me, intelligent than me. Open your thumb. Thumb represent to fire. So अपने अभिमान को अग्नि से मिलाए और भस्म कर दे, एक गरोदा बनाए and praise each other. Very good. Very good, very nice, very nice, very nice, very good, very good, very good. Ha, ho, ha, ho, ha, ho, ha, ho, ha, ho. And finally, in very short 2-3 exercise, please stand up, everybody. Please stand up, and make it a group of 2. You please come. Very short, I'll do it. Yeah, please come, 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 come. You please come. बिकॉज जगदीश जी ने हमें बुलाया तो इन्हीं को यहाँ वो क्या कहते हैं बकरा बनाया जाए।
कराटे वाला जरूर करवाना।
नाउ वी हैव टू एक्सरसाइज विद लापे। ओके ना, leave it. Okay, right. Just please we stand. Don't go. Generally, when you are shaking hands with others, why you are shaking hands? To make friends, right? To introduce yourself. But some people shake hands like this, and some people shake hands like this. बड़ा आसान कर दिया है ना। तो हम आस्ते युग में कहते हैं शेक हैंड करेंगे और साथ में एक्सरसाइज करेंगे। हाउ वी शेक हैंड लाइक दिस, दो के साथ कीजिए आपस में ऐसे। एंड नाउ एक्सरसाइज है। Please wait, one more. Please come, don't go. You also please come. Yeah, please come. You also please come. आप भी आइए ना, आइए इधर आ जाइए. Just put your right hand on the shoulder of the person is standing inside of you. Yeah, make it a row like this. You come here. You put your hands. The person standing in front of you. Sorry. Yeah. Please come. Yeah. Okay. Now we will praise with laugh. The person is standing in front of me, and I'll do some massage also. Okay. Simultaneously. How is it? Like this. नीचे तक जाए. Yes. Wait. Hold. Now turn your face. Put hand. Right. Yeah. Turn your face. Okay. Start again. Start. Okay. Please sit. And finally, only two more last. Yes, I am closing. Open your right hand. Just leave your chair, back of the chair. Be straight, sit straight. Hand be straight. Again, this is for what? Cervical pain. Those having cervical pain, please practice this exercise morning, evening, or daytime, whenever you have some time. Just praise yourself. Very good. Very good. People are not praising around nowadays, so we should praise ourselves. Yeah. From left side to the left side, left hand to left side. Now from both hands. Thank you. There are so many exercises, almost more than 80-90 exercises. Some exercise in the lay down position also. So those I cannot perform here. And finally, the last, Kapalbhati, and we'll close this. Put your right hand here. How many knows the Kapalbhati? Most of people knows. The Kapalbhati is very simple. Just exhale your breathing. Don't concentrate, just exhale. This is what Kapalbhati. I tell you the very simple way to do Kapalbhati. Put your right hand and just simply chant what we are chanting now. Ho ho ha. Simply chant ha 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 Thank you very much. Thank you all.
जोरदार तालियां. Lot of energy you have. ये भी सबूत है उसका. But just before we conclude,
You can meet me at YouTube, Jiten Kohi, Facebook, Jiten Kohi, not Kohli, it is Kohi, only one in whole of the world, so you need to get confused, Jiten Kohi.
कोही जी को मैं काफी बार YouTube में देख चुका हूँ.
And हाथ से
But
योगा
on
routine-
popular demand, since मैं YouTube में आपको देखा, सिर्फ एक और वो आपका जो फेमस खराटे वाला
नहीं, वो हमारा नहीं है, वो कॉमेडी वाले करते हैं.
अच्छा. Okay, so that helped us a lot. A big round of applause
Thank you.
to Dr. Jiten Kohi.
अच्छा, हमारी बुक CD बाहर है, यदि कोई लेना चाहे तो ले सकते हैं. CD, right? CD and books, English, Hindi both.
We have some very good books and CDs of Doctor at the stall outside. So anyone interested, please get your hands onto it. Limited copies, so as soon as possible. Now, अब मालूम पड़ा 3 बजे के बाद आपके लिए ये क्यों रखा गया था? So this was necessary to break the ice and to help you do serious business. At 6 o'clock, you are having an appointment with us at the round table. So before we do that, it is so important. Okay, I was just informed that Jiten sir has to take a flight. So we would like to do the felicitation ceremony right away. In which case, I would like to welcome Shri Shyamji Damani on the dais, please, who could give a small token of appreciation to a brilliant personality, जिन्होंने 20 मिनट में इतना कुछ हमारा ब्लड बढ़ा दिया हो या स्ट्रेस रिलीज कर दिया हो, जैकेट्स निकलवा दिया हो. So I think a big round of applause, Dr. Jiten ji. Oh wow, very good, fantastic. I think this was absolute salutation to this gentleman. Great. So let's move on.